Following up from our previous lesson, we have already recorded our screen and it has been imported right here. So once you record your screen, what happens is that all of the video clips are located here in the media section. So this is the recorded screen, as you can see. And if I were to double click it, it actually opens up in a separate video player, and we can preview that out. So over here, you can see that our video is already imported to the timeline. And let me just delete this out again, and you can see that there's no video there, but the video is safe here. So you can just bring it back just like this. So over here right now, by default, the video is there in track 1, and we're going to talk more about tracks in future lessons. So you can see that there's a certain area that you can work with whenever you're viewing the timeline. Another thing that you can do is you can go over here and push this up so that you have more area to work with as well. So over here in the video clip, you can see that there's the audio waveform right here now, and it is lower compared to, like, let's say, for example, on the top, it does not reach the top. What that means is that the audio level is of a lower volume. So we can work around and increase the volume as well. So if you want to increase the track and see more detail, then you can also go over here onto the side, onto the track 1, and pull that out. So you can see that there it just expands out and makes it easier for you to work with. So over here, you can see that there's the cursor, so I can scrub it around and you can see different parts of the video right here on the screen. So you can go over here on the back or front just like this. You can also see that there's the plus and minus button right here. So you can click on this and it zooms in the timeline. So right now what happens is that this is 5 seconds, this is 10 seconds. But if I were to zoom in now, you can see that this is 10 seconds. Zoom in even further, this is 10 seconds. So I can go forward, backward. And over here, there's the scroll bar on the bottom, which you can scroll on to the right or left according to what you want, just like this. So you can go around and now you can see that this amount of time right here is referred to 10 seconds. So you can zoom out or zoom in, or you can use the slider to zoom in and zoom out just by eyeballing things right here. And that's how it works. So there may be multiple clips as well. So you can bring in the clips, arrange them out, and then fix it together. In my case, right now, it's the same video footage that we are working with. So you can see that it just repeats out. And this is where you see the preview. You can play around as well to see how the video looks like. And once you edit things out, you can see everything how that looks like before exporting it or publishing it, just like that. And that is basically how timeline works like. So you can scrub through, you can arrange video clips out here, you can zoom in and zoom out. And in next lesson, we're going to talk about how you can start editing it and trimming it to refine the recorded video that we have right here. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.